Welcome to Sandanuwan Traders, your trusted vehicle partner. We offer a wide range of motorcycles, genuine Japan imported tires, quality bike accessories, and spare parts to keep you moving with confidence. Whether you're upgrading, maintaining, or customizing your ride, our team is ready to assist with reliable products and friendly service. Enjoy the convenience of island-wide delivery, bringing quality products right to your doorstep. Sandanuwan Traders, your trusted vehicle partner. Please stay on the line. We'll be with you shortly.